Top 5 methods to track your productivity as a remote worker.
Staying productive while working remotely can be challenging. Fortunately, there are effective methods and tools that can help you monitor your progress, manage your tasks, and stay focused. In this list, we'll explore 5 easy-to-use productivity tracking methods that are especially useful for remote professionals looking to improve their workflow.
1. Time tracking apps.
Time tracking apps like Toggle or Rescue Time allow you to log the hours you spend on specific tasks and analyze your work patterns. These applications help you identify distractions, understand where your time goes, and make informed decisions on how to allocate your workday more effectively.
2. Daily task lists.
Creating daily task lists is a simple yet powerful way to stay organized. Tools like Todoist or even physical lists help break your work into manageable pieces. By checking off tasks as you complete them, you can visualize your progress, set clear goals, and maintain motivation throughout your day.
3. Regular progress reviews.
Taking time for regular progress reviews, whether weekly or monthly, enables you to reflect on what you've accomplished. Using apps or spreadsheets, review your goals and completed tasks to identify strengths and areas for improvement. This continuous feedback loop supports long-term productivity growth.
4. Digital Kanban boards.
Digital Kanban boards like Trello or ClickUp offer a visual approach to tracking tasks. By organizing work into columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Done, you gain a clear overview of your workflow and can easily prioritize, reassign, or reschedule assignments as needed.
5. Automated reports and analytics.
Many remote work tools, like project management platforms or time trackers, provide automated reports and analytics. These insights show trends in your productivity, time allocation, and bottlenecks, helping you make data-driven changes to your routines for more efficient remote work.